Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Well, today we're saying goodbye to Colman's of Aysgarth as we hit the road for our next adventure. We're headed to the beautiful coastal village of Garlieston in Scotland. It's going to be a scenic drive, and who knows, we might even find a nice spot to stop, grab a coffee and stretch our legs. So come along and enjoy the ride.
I must say, this is one of the most picturesque service stations I've ever visited.
We've just pulled up at, I think it's Tebay Services. Lovely, really lovely inside, and you can take dogs in. There's different sections where you can buy, coffees, or there's a farm shop where you can get all sorts of things. And then there's an eating place which overlooks a little pond. I've taken a couple of photos of the pond and some ducks on it. So we've just stopped here for a bit of a break. So onwards and upwards to Scotland now. 140 miles to go before we get to Garlieston. The weather was really sunny in Yorkshire, but it's now gone rather dull. This is the services. It's quite busy. People are coming in and people are coming out, but there is a designated spot to park for motorhomes and caravans. So we'll come back to you in a little while. We'll see you in a bit. an old bridge up there. Water going out to the bay. Down here, we're coming up to the reception area. And then we've got the entrance. Tony's wearing his Fitfill shoes today. Are they comfy?
They're comfy, very comfy.
We set off from the campsite, winding our way past the quiet harbour, following the path down to a rocky beach. Very rocky on this part of the walk.
Large rocks here. Yeah, very quiet, isn't it?
I think that used to be on a fountain, didn't it? Beautiful garden.
Yeah.
Lovely bungalow. You can only see the side of it though, right on the edge. What a beautiful view they've got.
Yes.
It's all walled. Oh, some little tortoises. Really nice.
Lots of solar lanterns.
Yeah.
But it's all lit up at night.
Welcome, it says. In our next video, Tony takes you a ride around Garlieston on his bike. Archie gets a little bit sassy, and we head off up to Colman Castle, where we have a night stop over there. So we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.